Another helpful feature of DayCaptain besides the keyboard concept is the ability to connect the dots, which means that we can connect different information that is part of our application, mainly tasks and events, but also other things. So you can think of it like a huge knowledge graph in which you can connect almost everything with everything. And this is helpful to just understand some statistics and, well, how we spend our time. For example, if you look at the following day view, you will see that we have the possibility to, well, see some numbers like how long we worked on a specific task, for example, or that all of these tasks, almost all of them, are colored in a specific way. And this comes because these tasks are connected to these events. So I can, for example, create an event from a specific task. If I have a task here, work project, that is connected to an area, that is also a connection, I can go and assign this task, for example, by using the mouse or using the keyboard. And then I can just, first of all, see that now this event has the same color that is connected to the same area because that inherits from the tasks. And also the task now has the assignment of 1 hour. For example, if in the beginning I planned to work, let's say 2 hours on this task, and now I see I planned 2 hours, but I spent only 1 hour so far. For example, well, I could change this and move this around. You already know about this feature, so that is possible. And now it changes the time that I see because of that connection. So it has this statistic that later on I see how long did I actually work on that. The same is true for projects. They also keep the connection. For example, if in the afternoon, here I also wanted to work on that task, it has this connection here. Maybe I plan for 1.5 hours, so I can change the time here, and you see that the information is being kept. This also works if I go, for example, to the backlog view, G and O, to create a new backlog item. For example, I need to contact that person, or I want to do something here that is connected to, let's say, a project. And then I go and assign this backlog to actually a day. So this is possible. I can press N and T to, let's say, I want to work on that day. And then if I jump back on the day view and select that specific day, I see that now there is a task, do something, and it has the connection. I can check out these connections by editing something by pressing E. And now I see that there is a relation to a backlog item that is in this backlog to do when time. So this connection is being kept. I can check this out for all the elements. For example, I can see why does this task here has the some project connection. I can edit it and see, okay, this is connected to the task on that day. So it's called task. So I can go and select this, press E again and see, okay, that also has the other connection that's bidirectional. And this information here is then inherited. The same is true for the task that has been created from a backlog, and I can now also assign this, so you see that all the information is inherited to all of the connected items. What is also very helpful is to see some further statistics. If I press C on the day view here, I see some statistics there, how to see, well, how much did I actually plan for the specific projects and areas, and what is the actual view of that. So this is really helpful. In a later video I will explain some day planning when I actually say, well, how long did I work on something, what was my intention, and what is the actual time that I spent doing something. That is one important feature. And another thing that is helpful is to do some filtering. So I can add some filter by pressing this backslash, and for example I can filter for an area. Let's say please only show me the IT task. So this is quite helpful when you work, for example, for a specific client of yours or for your work, to only show the work related things on that day. So that is now being filtered, and because of the connection to all the areas, everything that is connected or related to this IT area will now be shown. And that is another reason why DayCaptain allows you to connect the dots of all of the items that are part of this application for your account, where you get a better overview, you can filter, and you can see some statistics.